Hello, you're welcome to our chemistry class with chemistry with Chris. In this lesson, we want to begin a series of teachings on chemical laws. Chemical laws. We have 4 laws of chemical combination. So in this lesson, we are taking one of the laws, and that law is law of conservation of matter. So we are looking at the law of conservation of matter. What does the law state? The law states that matter can neither be created nor destroyed, but can be transformed from one form to another in any chemical reaction. The law states that matter can neither be created nor destroyed, but can be transformed from one form to another in the course of chemical reaction. What does it mean? It means that when compound reacts with each other, the sum of the reactants must be equal to the sum of the products. The sum of the reactants must be equal to the sum of the products. Let's look at this example to use to verify law of chemical combination, which is law of conservation of matter in this case. Sodium chloride solution reacts with silver triazonitrate 5 to produce silver chloride and sodium triazonitrate 5. Show that this reaction verifies the law of conservation of matter. Now, the first thing that you need to do in this case is to write a balanced chemical equation. Write a balanced chemical equation. If you don't know how to balance chemical equation, this topic may be a bit difficult. But you can check our subsequent lessons. We have done balancing of chemical equations, how to balance chemical equations. So you can check it on our YouTube channel. Just check balancing of chemical equations. You see many examples there. You can use it to learn how to balance a chemical equation. Then this topic will be simple for you, because before you can verify that this reaction verifies the law of conservation of matter, you must first balance the chemical reactions. You must first write a balanced chemical equations for the reaction. So let's look at this example. Sodium chloride. So you have solution. Sodium chloride is NaCl. React with silver triazonitrate 5, that's AgNO3, to produce silver chloride, that's AgCl, plus sodium triazonitrate 5, that's NaNO3. Now that's the reaction, equation for the reaction. And I need to check now if this equation is balanced. You have one sodium here, Na1 sodium. Chlorine is 1 here, chlorine is 1 here. Silver is 1 in this place, silver is 1 in this place. Then NO3, triazonitrate is 1, triazonitrate is 1. So the reaction is balanced. Nitrogen is 1, oxygen is 3, nitrogen is 1, oxygen is 3. So the equation is balanced. Now, how do we use this equation to verify the law of conservation of matter? We need to first calculate the total mass of the reactant and see if it will be equal to the total mass of the product. If the total mass of the reactant is equal to the total mass of the product, it shows that the law of conservation of matter has been verified. So let's find the total mass of the reactant and let's see if it will be equal to the total mass of the product. So you have sodium is 23 plus chlorine is 35.5. Silver here is 108. Nitrogen is 14 plus oxygen, which is 16 times 3. So you have sodium 23, chlorine 35.5, plus silver 108, nitrogen 14, oxygen 16 multiplied by 3. Is it equal to now? So let's check. Silver here is 108 plus chlorine 35.5 plus sodium 23 plus nitrogen 14 plus oxygen 16 times 3. $35.5 there, then plus sodium is 23 plus nitrogen 14 plus oxygen 16 times 3. So let's check if the reaction is, if the mass are the same. So in this case, I have 23 plus 35.5 plus 108 plus 14 that will give me 108.5 plus 16 times 3, so that's 48. Is it now equal to, if I add this one to 108 plus 35.5 plus 23 plus 14, so that will give me 108.5 plus 16 times 3, that's 48. So if I add together now, you have 48 plus 108.5, that's a 156.5 is equal to 108.5 plus 48, that's a 156.5. All right, so if I write this one here now, when I added all these ones together, I have 108.5 plus 48. Then this other side too, I have 108.5 plus 48, which is what is down here. You may not see it, that's why I'm writing it in this upper part now. So in that case now, if I add this and this together, you have 156.5 to be equal to 156.5. You see that the masses of the reactant and the product are the same. Since the masses of the reactant and product are the same, it shows that the law of conservation of matter has been verified. That's the only thing you just said there. Since the mass of the reactant is equal to the mass of the product, it shows that the law of conservation of matter has been verified. More examples on this law are still coming. So stay tuned to our channel on maths, on chemistry with Chris. And you can also check our subsequent channel, Chemistry with Chris, Physics with Chris, Maths and Further Maths with Chris. Thank you.